Hello! Today, to continue the topic of the last week, Russian leather, I sprayed it 3 days ago. It's still there, so it's intense enough, but it was the version Eau de Parfum, which is more for gents. Let's try it again, just to finish it, because today I'm going to talk about the fresh ones. This is a strong one. Yeah, a lot of leather, some flowers, white flowers, wood, and amber, patchouli, maybe. Yeah. Gents version, Eau de Parfum, according to me. Of course, no one says gents, it's all unisex, but the Eau de Toilette version is more for ladies. It's much lighter and much fresher. So we have here more green elements than leather or wood, because leather and wood always go together in perfumery. Yeah, so it's fresh. It's fresh, woody green. So I could wear this one. It's delicious. It's interesting, refined. Let's call it refined. Fresh also. So I just wanted to talk about the new arrivals by Molton Brown. It's fresh lavender, wild mint and lavender, and it's fresh. The Eau de Toilette is fresher than Eau de Parfum and less woody. So it's green. It's really green. I would say it's fresh green, slightly bitter, slightly bitterly, slightly flowery. Yeah. So which is understandable, because we have here lavender, and lavender is sort of aromatic. It's so fresh. It has this strong fresh note, but it's also slightly flowery. Lavender has some floweriness to it. It's a flower, finally. Yes, and wild mint, which is I'm not a lover of mint. I hate mint tea and so. But here we have this green aspect of mint, only the green, more the green aspect than the sweetly aspect. That's why I like it, and it's double fresh. It's really very fresh because of lavender. This ethereal oils of lavender mixed to the ethereal oils of mint, which produces an ultra fresh fragrance, especially in its version as Eau de Toilette, which I recommend more to both sexes. Let's try now the same as Eau de Parfum, and I suppose it will be more woody. Let's try. Yes, absolutely, and also sweeter, and interestingly enough, unexpectedly, it's more minty than the Eau de Toilette version. Here we have, yes, I feel more wood, but also more mint with its sweet aspect, and less lavender, interestingly, but also lavender. Now it comes. First we have, after spraying directly, the head note is more minty and woody, and later we have this freshness of lavender coming out. Also beautiful. Yeah, also for ladies and for gents. It's unisex. This one is a true unisex, which I like. Okay, now we have more. We have 3 ladies fragrances now. One of my favorites, white milk musk. Excuse me. I'm just mixing up all the names. Milk musk. Yes. And we have here milk, the milk note. We have here the musky note, but musk, not this animalistic musk. No, no. It's only there. We have only white musk here. And you know what? We also have coconut here, but very, very little. Just a very fine, just a very fine, just a haze of coconut. I like it. I like it because it remains in between. It balances between milky and exotic. I like it, and it's very light. It's very tender for young girls, but also for women of all ages, I would say, but more for women. Yes, yes, it's nice. Eau de toilette. I recommend more eau de toilette here because it's lighter. It underlines the lightness, the character of this fragrance. Because I also tried the eau de parfum version, and it was sweeter. It was sweeter and denser and powderier, which is not very nice in this fragrance, as I think, especially for the warmer spring and spring season, and also when it and also for summer, especially for summer. Never wear this one as eau de parfum for summer. So, and now we have the two ones, which is Heavenly Ginger Lily and Delicious Rhubarb and Rose. The one is fresher, the other one is sweeter, and as the name says, it's also more fruity. So let's start with Heavenly Ginger Lily. It's a sort of lily also. A lot of lilies in perfumes. So it's